Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Xbox profile that owns Minecraft, because updates follow that license. Once done, make sure the console is on a stable Wi-Fi network. Unstable connections cause corrupt downloads. Now open the Microsoft Store from the dashboard and navigate to My Library or search for Minecraft. This begins the update pathway. It's the first actionable step. You're not waiting, you're checking ownership, confirming network health, then launching the store so the update can be found and triggered. Next, locate Minecraft in My Library or use search if it's not visible. Once you find the tile, select it and look for an update button. If you don't see one, choose Manage to view version info and pending downloads. Press Update to start. The store queues the download and applies files automatically. Make sure the console stays powered and connected. Monitor progress in the queue under Downloads so you know when the update completes, and pause or cancel only if necessary to fix bandwidth. After the store finishes, restart Minecraft and verify the version in the game settings to confirm success. If the update didn't apply, clear the local save cache by quitting the game, then restarting the console. This often resolves stuck installs. Once done, make sure Xbox Live services are operational if problems persist. As a last step, uninstall and reinstall the Minecraft app. That forces a clean download and usually fixes corrupted update files. These steps complete the update and handle most failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.